How to make all your TikTok videos private at once. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to make all of your TikTok videos private at once. So if you're looking to change the visibility of your content to only me, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. And then tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, in the top right corner. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Activity Center. Inside the Activity Center, scroll again until you see Manage Post Visibility and tap on that. Now here's where you manage your videos. You'll need to manually select your videos. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't offer a Select All option. But the good news is that you can select up to 50 videos at once. Once you've selected the videos you want to make private, tap Next. Then choose the option Only Me, which will make those videos private and hide them from your public profile. After selecting that, just tap Update, and TikTok will change the visibility of those videos to private. To confirm it worked, go back to your profile. As you can see, all the selected videos are no longer visible publicly. But don't worry, they're not deleted. You can still find them under the lock icon, which is where your private videos are stored.